Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to set up Claude Code with IntelliJ IDEA on Windows. We will cover installing IntelliJ IDEA, installing the Claude Code IntelliJ plugin, setting up Claude CLI, fixing common PowerShell and path issue, connecting Claude to your account and using Claude directly inside IntelliJ. So let's begin. First, we need IntelliJ IDEA, which is the IDE where we will write and manage our code. So first, for that, we need to open our browser and visit the IntelliJ IDEA download page. So let me click here. Since my machine is a 64-bit Windows system with a processor 64, let me accept these cookies. So I will download 64 installer. So I will download this. But be careful not to download the ARM64 version unless your computer specifically uses an ARM processor. So let me download this. Once downloaded, runs the installer and follow the setup wizard using the default option. After installation, launch IntelliJ IDEA and create a new Java project. So once this installation done, we just need to run this exe file. Once you have finished with the installation process with the IntelliJ IDEA, you just need to create a new project, the Java project. This will come by default, and thereafter you need to process with the second step, which is install Claude Code plugin. So now let's install the Claude Code. So for that we just need to go to the file, settings, then plugins, and here in the marketplace we just need to search Claude beta. So this is very important step. There are so many plugins are there with the name Claude, so you have to choose this Claude Code beta and just apply here, and first click on the installs. I already installed, so just install, perform your installation and click on OK. So this is very important to look for the official Claude Code plugin which is published by the Anthropic. So if you here goes and search Claude beta, so you will see here Anthropic, so that you have to install this. Now, you may see a security notice including that the plugin is provided by a third party rather than the JetBrains. That is completely fine since this is the official plugin from Anthropic. Click accept and continue. After installation, restart your IntelliJ IDEA, and once IntelliJ IDEA restarts, you will see the Claude icon available in the IDE. So you can see here Claude Code. So now the third step is to install Claude CLI. The IntelliJ plugin requires Claude CLI to be installed separately. So think of the IntelliJ plugin as the user interface, while Claude CLI is the component that communicates with the Claude's AI services. Open your command prompt or PowerShell and install Claude Code using the official installation method. So I will show you what's the official installation method is. After installation, verify that Claude Code is available by running Claude dash dash version. If you see the version like this means your installation is successful and you will see a version number like this. This confirms that Claude CLI is installed correctly. Now, sometimes what happens, there are some common errors happen during the PowerShell execution policy. So one common issue Windows user encounter is the PowerShell security error. Running script is disabled on this system. Like, if you see this message when launching Claude, open your PowerShell as administrator and run and set execution policy as scope current user remote signed, type yes and press enter to confirm. This allows trusted local scripts to execute and resolve the issue. After reopening PowerShell, Claude should launch normally. But in our case, as we are running in the command prompt and we didn't get this kind of issue, so we are good to go further. Now we need to sign in to Claude. So now let's authenticate Claude Code. So for that, we just need to run Claude. You will get the output like this. This means you are on the right track and you just need to click on enter, and it's showing opening browser to sign in. That means you are on the right track. You just need to copy this link and if your browser doesn't open automatically, Claude will display login URL. Then copy the URL and open it in your browser. So I just copy the URL from the terminal and just hit this. Accept all cookies. You will see this. You should log in with your email account and you can use a free Claude account for this setup. After authorization complete, returns to the terminal. Claude will finish the authentication process and open its interactive interface. So you can see I'm already done. You just need to click on this, select free version, and see you're here. At this point, we have successfully completed the steps like installed the IntelliJ IDEA, install the Claude Code IntelliJ plugin, install Node.js, install Claude CLI, fix PowerShell execution policy issue, and verified Claude installation using Claude version. And also launch Claude Code successfully. Now, when we try to connect to Claude, to our Claude account, you may see a message. Let me showcase you the message. Invalid auth request. Claude Max or Pro is required to connect to Claude Code. This is an important point that many users miss. Installing Claude Code and IntelliJ plugin is completely free and anyone can complete the setup process. However, to actually use Claude Code inside IntelliJ and send prompts directly from the IDE, you currently need one of the following: a Claude Pro subscription, a Claude Max subscription, or an Anthropic API key with billing enabled. If you are using a free Claude account, the authentication process may stop at this stage. and display the subscription requirement message as shown in the screen. So, if your goal is simply to install and configure Claude Code, you can follow all the steps shown in this tutorial. But if you want to use Claude Code for a real AI-assisted coding inside IntelliJ, you will need to upgrade to a supported Claude plan or configured with an Anthropic API key. The good news is that we have successfully completed the installation, configuration, troubleshooting, and verification process. So you are now ready for the final account activation step whenever you choose to proceed. Thank you for watching this tutorial.